Okay, we're going to do a short segment of Kosho striking for a YouTube video. I want to show you guys some of the basic building blocks of what you're going to do that you can use to originate your own hand striking methods. Okay, watch. We're going to do a little bit of drills to show you how to work some different hand combinations, and then we're going to show you some concepts and theories on how to apply them on an attacker. Okay, we're going to start off with a pretty simple hand striking drill. You can do this with your partner first, with them extending their arm for safety purposes. You're basically going to shift to the inside, and you're going to come across right, left, right elbow, back fist, palm. So your drill is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One of the reasons we do this drill is to start teaching students how to apply all the weapons of the arm. Okay, a lot of systems will hit. They'll use basically one weapon on the arm. You have multiple weapons on the arm, and if you learn to use those in rotation, you're going to have a better effect as far as keeping your triangles, eliminating voids for your opponent to fill. If he throws a punch at me and I do this, and I retract here, and I'm doing this, as this is retracting, this energy is going to pull his punch into me. Okay? So the idea about making your hand combinations tighter and using different weapons on the arm. For instance, I would use a fist, followed with an elbow, followed with a back fist. Okay? Now, generally, if I hit him hard enough with the fist, I may not get this, so I might bring this down and then hit with the elbow. So there are all kinds of different scenarios that you can put into it, but by learning this drill, you'll be able to keep nice, sharp hand combinations, and then after the drill has been internalized, then your hand combinations will just come out. So you start with a pattern, you start with structure, and then eventually the pattern and the structure dissolves. So we'll cover this again. So he puts his arm out. He's punching right for me here. This would be where my lean or my shift is when we talk about the leaning factor in Kosho. So I shift inside, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, notice it is not just the arms moving, it's not this. Okay, it is the body. Okay, the hips are moving, feet are moving, and these hits allow you to hit with the intensity and the power of the entire body. Okay, again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do not leave big voids. Every time you pull this hand back, you give this man energy to attack you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to use this off of a punch. So he throws a punch, I slip inside, and I'm working my hand combination. Okay? Again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hitting. Okay? So we're going to have you guys try it. We're going to come back and we're going to tweak it a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to look at this drill a little bit. We're going to show you how this drill, like I said before, this is a drill. Okay? But we're also going to show you how parts of this drill can be used, the sequence can be used to take on an attacker's punching arm, but then also use the drill to stop the secondary rotation. In Kosho, there's always a second or third rotation. So if this man punches me, okay, I can't be here and then take and do all my stuff to him, because this hand is definitely coming. Whether I'm to the inside here or whether he punches and I'm to the outside, there's always going to be a secondary rotation. So when I do this drill, he punches, I get my 1, 2 here. Now, as he goes to rotate, this hit right here will offset this strike. So back to where your drill is, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if I'm 1, 2 and he punches here, these hits are all right here to put into that combination. Okay, so built right there within the drill is the safeguards for you to stop a secondary rotation. Another thing you can do as far as that goes, from here he goes to rotate, I use my elbow, and then I roll right off into my hand combination also. So understand that when a person's punching, if I'm here and I start to do my hand combination, all of this takes place, all of this, go ahead, rotate, all this is going to stop this guy, and then I can move in and finish it. So this is built right into the drill. So we're going to show you the drill one more time. Let's just do it pan out. Okay? So you're working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that your body is moving and it's not, that's no good. Okay? Alright, when we come back, we're going to delve a little bit more into we're working our hand combinations. We want to take it and take the pattern and let that dissolve a little bit. Oh, by the way, one other thing is, as you're doing this, you should also do this from the other side to practice it. But for the length of the video, we're just going to keep it short. All right, so now you take your escaping, and which is the most important part of all of your subarts. If the man's throwing a punch and I rotate here, realize that when you go to stop his projecting side, you're not just standing here and hitting, okay? Because his arm is coming to here, right? You're here. As he rotates, I'm rotating too, which is my escape. So you're not staying, once you get to this position, you're not staying here. He's moving, I'm moving, okay? I have to be at a different spot for him to feel the effects of that strike, okay? Because if I'm here and he rotates and I hit him from here, he's going to be structured to that, because in his mind he knows exactly where I'm at. He knows exactly where the strike is coming from. Therefore, he has the ability to tighten down and take the punch. If I do this and he rotates, bang, he's getting hit from a different area, which his body is not going to be able to adjust to, okay, to tighten down. Okay, so that's very important for you to remember. All right, so let's say from here we move to the outside. We roll to the outside. Position your hands nice and close. All right, as this man goes to rotate, and you'll feel it by your touch on his arm, as he rotates, my hips are here, and all my strikes are here. Okay, so he punches, you're going to slip outside, and you're going to just relax your hands. All right, you're going to stay close. This is not what you want to do. You want to be here. As he rotates, this hits. That stops the spinal structure. You're going to follow with your hits. You're going to crease the waist, and you're going to set them down. Okay? The idea is stay in close, keep your triangles, and you will fill the voids. So moving here. Now, as soon as he misses, his head is turned. His eyes are looking towards me. He doesn't see this hand. This hand doesn't represent anything dangerous to him. All right? He doesn't really see this hand either. As he rotates, this hits and then they follow with your punch and your elbow. You back fist your palm, okay? Keep your triangles, punch at the waist crease, and set them down. Okay? So let's get you guys